Geometry is, with arithmetic, one of the oldest branches of mathematics. It is concerned with properties of space that are related with distance, shape, size, and relative position of figure. Major branches of geometry: Euclidean geometry, analytic geometry, projective geometry, differential geometry, non-Euclidean geometries. In mathematics, the Pythagorean theorem, also known as Pythagoras' theorem, is a fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry. Now let us see about the inventor of Pythagoras' theorem. The Pythagoras theorem was invented by Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and a mathematician. Pythagoras' ideas influenced thinkers throughout the ages. Pythagoras is well known to math students for the Pythagoras theorem. Here are some Pythagoras facts that you should learn about the exceptional mathematics legend. You always hear his name in math class, so it's just right getting to know him more. Pythagoras cup. Pythagoras also holds credit for a special type of a cup. This distinctive cup only works normally when the user sips from it, but its content would spill if one drinks rather too quick. When it is filled beyond a certain point, a siphoning effect causes the cup to drain its entire contents through the base. Siphon effect means water always flows from an area under higher pressure to an area of lower pressure. Pythagoras trusts that the human soul returns over and over again into different forms. It could be back into people or animals and even in vegetables. They call this belief metempsychosis, which means transmigration of souls. Legend has it that Pythagoras found musical notes had mathematical equation translations. One day at work, he passed blacksmiths and made the discovery upon hearing the sound of their hammers crashing against the anvils. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is a simple rule about the proportion of the sides of a right-angled triangle. It states that the squares of the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of a triangle. Or simply, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Application of Pythagoras theorem in real life. The following are the application of the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is used to check if a given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. Aerospace scientists find the range and sound source using the Pythagoras theorem. It is used by oceanographers to determine the speed of sound in water. The most obvious application of the Pythagorean theorem is in the world of architecture and building construction, particularly in reference to triangular shaped roofs. The theorem applies only when dealing with right angles or triangles with a 90-degree angle. Triangulation is a method used for pinpointing a location when two reference points are known. When triangulation is used with the 90-degree angle, the Pythagorean theorem is used to determine the location. Cell phones can be traced by way of triangulation. Car navigation systems use this method. Geologists also use the Pythagorean theorem when tracking earthquake activity. By triangulating the distance traveled by the faster waves with that traveled by the slower waves, geologists can determine the center or source of the earthquake. Painters use ladders to point on high buildings and often use the help of the Pythagoras theorem to complete their work. Forensic investigators use the Pythagorean theorem to determine bullet trajectory. Bullet trajectory shows the path the bullet took before impact. Land surveyors use the Pythagorean theorem to take measurements or the land to catalog information for construction or cartography. Find the answers about the baseball diamond. How far does a catcher have to throw the ball to get from home plate to second base? Using the Pythagoras theorem, you can find out how far the second baseman has to throw the ball in order to get the runner out before he slides into home plate. Dear students, Pythagoras theorem is not just important for this class, but also very important in your future. Pythagoras theorem has its importance in various aspects of life. So kindly pay attention to this session. Thank you.